That's my wall for my seat. Well, not for the seat, but anyhow, the wall for to keep the heat off of me. Why? To keep the heat off my seat. This is my wall. What y'all see, it has to be sanded. It's raw wood. I'm gonna take it down, sand it, and then it'll look like that right there. This over here got to be sanded again, and so is that and that. But this, my friend, have been sanded and varnished, so that's good. This, my friend, has to be sanded again, and that right there is one wall that I think I just need to put one more coat on it. It's smooth, man. It's a baby butt. Smooth, slick. Man, I like that. That's nice. This we're gonna paint white here. That's gonna be painted white. This, all the tools are gonna be painted white. And that's gonna be white. And this gonna be white down here. It's gonna be white. Yeah. It's gonna be white. White here. All this in here is gonna be painted white. This and that. And haven't decided yet what we're gonna paint in the bedroom. But we got one water tank there. And we're waiting on Mr. Gary Simmons to get the other ones, where we can go and install the water and hook up our hot water tank. And we're gonna take all of this out of here and varnish the floor. We're gonna do that. This is gonna be raining Saturday. We're gonna do it Saturday. We're gonna disconnect this diesel and put it outside. We're going to disconnect the heater here and put it outside. And we're going to plug the hose. And we're going to varnish the floors. We're going to finish them up and we're going to varnish them. The floors, front to back. And then we'll give you a video. We'll make a video of all of that. And let you guys know our cabinets up. But we're going to let you know how everything turns out. We really thank you guys for watching and subscribing. We really appreciate you guys, and we thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. We thank you all again for watching. Thank you for your support. God bless.